how to use trading fee rebate voucher in Binance. So first thing you're gonna have to do is to log into the account you want to use that voucher on. So over here in the Binance app, just go ahead and use your email or phone, then log in. Then once you have done so, just go ahead directly to your rewards hub. Once you have pressed on the rewards hub option, you should be able to scroll down a little bit until you get to the rewards section or the get rewards button. You're gonna have to press on the more option over here. Then you're gonna have to press on enjoy rewards more again. Then you're gonna find the my vouchers option. So all you have to do from there is press on the voucher code over there. Just go ahead and put in the code for that free rebate voucher you have, and each voucher code can only be claimed once per user. So once it's claimed, the reward cannot be reversed. So make sure you're in the same account that you want to have that voucher on. So once you press on claim voucher, it's gonna be active, and once it's active, it's gonna automatically be used as a free rebate until the limit for that voucher has been completely used up. But that's pretty much how you use the free rebate in your Binance. So if this video can help you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.